Oh, good girl, Maya. So here at the new apartment, you guys have seen a little bit of it in the housewarming video. So I'll show you guys like a quick tour. Because it's raining, it is a little dark. I will try and put pictures for whatever you can't see. So these are 2 BHK apartments. I'll leave all the details here on the screen and the contact details, brochure and everything in the description box. You can find them on Instagram too or Facebook, and you can come check it out if you're interested. I'll put pictures as well. So it's a very beautiful area. There's a park coming up. There is a very nice temple, and the colony is very green and beautiful. It's very serene, and it's close to high tech city, but it is a little away from the chaos. So it is really nice. I'll show you guys the view from the terrace also. It's very green and beautiful. New hospital that's coming up, I think it's Padma Hospital. So this is in Miapur, and it's very close to the metro station as well. And I will leave more details here, but let's just go see the rest of the place. So this is the entrance, and I'll take you guys around and show you guys the place. But it is a little rainy, so it might be a little dark, but wherever required I'll put pictures so that you can see. This is the hall. It has 2 seating areas. Here is for entertainment unit, this whole wall, and you will have 2 seating areas here. So this is the 2 BHK apartment, and then when you go inside, there is a dining and kitchen, and a small pathway to the bedrooms and a guest bathroom as well. I'll show you guys everything else here.
I'm falling from the sky.
This is the corridor and the elevator. So each floor has 2 flats. This is the other one. They've put the grill because this is the balcony, and some people who have kids might find it useful. This is the main door. All the woodwork is done. I'll also be putting pictures here, and we also do interiors, so you can find more pictures for reference as well on the Instagram page. This is basically the terrace. It is still not done completely, like all the work is still going on. So, but yeah, this is basically the view. It's all green and everything. I'll show you guys around a little bit in the colony. What you see there is the hospital which I showed you guys, Padma Hospital, which is coming up. So it's basically a very convenient location, very accessible to the city. At the same time, it's calm and serene because it's not too populated yet. They're testing it out for me. This is the bed that I was interested in. I got something similar, but not from here. I really like some of the benches also. Let me show you guys. I have my eye on this one, but it doesn't really match the aesthetic of my house. Maybe I can fit in somewhere, but look at it. It's like such a pretty color and it has this vintage vibe. So lovely. Like this setup is also so nice. It sort of has the kalamkari look. And look at this chest. I do like a lot of things in this store, but yeah, like I said, they are definitely slightly expensive. My dad is negotiating for a furniture which are on fixed prices. Here. And also is asking why things are very expensive these days. I really like this sofa as well. This chair, I think it's very comfortable to keep like this in the bedroom or even in the hall. And I like these two. The setting is nice, like two chairs. And I really like this bench. I saw this on floral print in the website, so I plan to get that. Definitely want to get the bench. I'm a little confused on the other things. Alright, you guys, I just got back home and I'm a little exhausted. You can clearly see that. So I'm gonna go off now, but I'll be leaving the links for everything in the description box. So if you're looking to invest in an apartment, then you can find all the details in the description box. I'll also leave the contact details and the Instagram page to the company, so you can check it out. And if you haven't watched the housewarming video, I'll link it here. You can watch that as well if you're interested. And also the furniture store that I was actually checking out, I'll leave the link for that as well in the description box. And now I actually am going to do my nighttime skincare routine. If you're interested in that, keep on watching. And this is not sponsored or anything. I am anyway going to do my nighttime skincare routine, so I just wanted to include it in this video because some of you guys have been asking for reviews on these products. So I'm also going to quickly tell you about the secret hair oil, which a lot of you guys had asked about. Like somehow the individual review videos don't do well on my channel. So this is the vitamin C face wash. So I've been using the vitamin C range. They have a serum, face wash, and look at this brush. So in the beginning I was like but it actually is really nice. You can just pump a little bit and use it. And people in my house also have been enjoying using this. The brush is very gentle, but I would still suggest that you do this gently and not actually do it harshly on your skin. I haven't been using the brush on a daily basis. I still use the foam. I want to exfoliate only a couple of days in the week, and now I'll just quickly wash it off and I'll be back. I feel so refreshed. I'm going to be using the vitamin C skin mist toner from Wow. I've been really liking these 3 steps in my nighttime skincare routine. So refreshing. I'm going to let it sit and absorb and then pat it. So after this has dried, I use the vitamin C serum, and this one has hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and witch hazel. So they have a couple of benefits, but what I really like about it is that it helps with brightening and any marks and pigmentation that you have. So I'm going to dab this, and you just need a pump. Actually, I think I pressed extra, but I'm going to apply it on the face, and yeah, that's it. Good to go. This can just be it for your night skincare routine. They also have the vitamin C face cream, which I usually don't use, or I use it only on my forehead because I feel like it's too much. I've been really enjoying this, and it's actually making my skin tightening my pores and actually adding a little bit glow, especially since we're not getting out much in the sunlight. I feel like this has been really helpful. That is the face cream. I don't use it much, but I'm just gonna take a little bit and put it here. Not that the cream is oily or anything, but I generally don't prefer applying face cream as well. I usually try to keep it very minimal. So that was it for my nighttime skincare routine, and this has been working out really well for me, and I'll be applying my hair oil as well now. Now for hair oil, I'm going to be using the Secret hair oil in Blue Lily, and some of you guys actually told me about this on Instagram and even in YouTube comments. So I'm just going to take a little bit of it. I'll leave the ingredients here because I don't remember them, but I did reach out to the page and they mentioned the ingredients, and they're all supposed to be natural ingredients. I've been using this for a couple of months now. I think I'll need a little bit more oil, and it has helped with a little bit of baby hair, and also you can see that my hair has grown. But I think it is everything, all the factors, your food, your general care, and even the oil. So I believe that it's everything, but the oil has been working great. I think they have other variants, I'm not sure, but do check it out. My light just went out, but I'm going to end the video here. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Bye.